Yes, we're gonna give it a minute here. I'm starting a timer. My timer is already halfway. So when you roll on the bottom, what is the tenderness score on scale 1 to 10?
It's probably a 7.
7. Very high.
It's actually harder. It's worse on the outside edge than it is on the inside edge.
Okay. No problem.
I'm not sure if that's normal or, but yeah, it's pretty raw in there.
Yeah. Well, later on, when you roll, it's going to be a 0.
Yay. Well, I'm ready. Trust
Yeah.
me. I cannot wait to get back to working out. So
Right.
whatever you got to do, I'm ready.
Yep. It's going to be, once the fascia connection is made and it's working properly, it's going to be a 0.
Good.
I actually just helped a guy in Australia who had the same problem.
Did you really?
Yeah, just like he's 3 weeks in, it's already like nothing. He's gonna get back to the field. He plays soccer, so, but he was struggling for maybe 10 years.
Seriously? Okay, yeah, it's been almost 2 years for me, and I'm so over it.
Yeah, because the problem that the mainstream PT do is they're all muscular based. So the story is that he has naturally he has a very big calf. So when he went to the PT didn't really check the size of his calf. So automatically thought, okay, so the muscle next to the foot, okay, the calf, you need to do calf raises. So made him do like a 10 and then 50 and then 100 calf raises. And then the guy's like, you're not tired? He's like, no, I'm not tired. And then he pull up his pants. He has a size 18-inch calf. And he's like, you know, my calf is very strong.
Right. You're not going to wear it out.
Yeah. So see, the problem is that when the PTs are educated, when we had all these dissection done, right, to study the human body, the scientists at the time removed the fascia, thought it was filler material. So they only studied the muscle only. So then whatever exercise they could come up with is going to be muscle based. But unfortunately, you know, the body doesn't work that way. The body works the way that's designed to work, and the fascia plays a significant role. And this is something that's been studied a lot in the recent, I would say, last 10 years or so. All right, now let's roll the bottom of the foot again. And what's the score here?
I'd say 2 or 3. It's much better.
Okay. Decreased
much
again.
Better. I mean, the outside for sure. The outside is bad. You know, it feels good.
Okay, so 2 and 3, way better than 7. That's how we started. Let's do the other side.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's roll the bottom of the foot again. And what's the score here?
Probably 1.
Wow.
I mean, it doesn't hurt. Like, obviously I feel it, but it doesn't hurt.
Okay, good. Let's try the other side. How do you feel over here?
So much better.
What will be the score now?
1.
1.
It doesn't hurt. Like before, so tight in here.
Right.
And if I rolled it, I got bruised. It was ridiculous.
Right. So how's the body feeling this week?
It was really sore after the last workout, but like I said, I think that's probably normal, just the jumping.
Is it right afterwards or the next day?
Next day.
The next day, okay.
And then it kind of lingered through the weekend for some reason, and then it started to get better, and then jumped again. I kind of didn't do as much jumping probably, but it's better now. Now it's back to, it feels pretty good actually.
Okay.
But yeah, it definitely makes me sore to jump, but
yeah, because the fascia has to be remodeled and strengthened.
Right. So I mean, I figured that's what it was. So
Right. But it shouldn't like linger forever. You know, it's like you know, muscle workout. If you work the muscle, it's going to be sore, and then it will no longer be sore.
right. That's what I figured. It was the same kind of thing, just getting sore like normal. So other than that, like right now, I'm rolling my foot. It doesn't hurt.
So how's your experience for the 12 weeks?
It was great. Absolutely great. I think it's changed a lot. I think it's just going to get stronger. After the 12 and I take the week off, then do I need to go back to it, or is this something that I need to keep doing?
Yeah, you want to keep on doing it to strengthen it. So for example, there's some milestones we didn't reach, but we should be reaching. For example, the Hyperarch hop, right now we're still assisted, right? That should be done without any type of assist, and we should be able to do it up to 5 minutes.
Okay.